Today I will be showing you how to make a purse. Okay, so the things you'll need a pair of scissors to cut your material out. You will need pins to pin your stuff. You will need material. Pretty much is just whatever you want. I chose these colors because I thought they went well together. And you will also need some patterns for your bag. And the most important thing, you'll need your sewing machine. First things first, we need to cut out our material. Next, we're going to take our pattern and we're going to pin it down to get our front and our back. We're going to have to cut 2 of these out. Cut out. We now are going to do the straps. You're going to do the same thing that you did with the front and back. You're just going to pin it to the fabric and then cut it. Now that we got our strap cut out, we need to do our pocket, which we're going to do out of this material. So we're going to do the exact same thing as we've done with the others and pin it to it and then cut it. This is the fabric that is going to be our pocket. So it will look like so. It will have a line right here. Like everything else, I'm going to first pin this so it will be straight. I'm going to fold it back. I'm going to pin it. Okay. Once you have it all pinned up, now we're going to put it underneath the sewing machine. You always want to keep your hands out of the way. You want to keep it as straight as you can. Okay, you can stop right now. Now I'm going to cut it. Now I'm going to pin her so I can sew it all together. First I'm going to sew here and here. So that's where I'm going to pin. going to sew it. Stop. Once you have both sides sewed, you need to pin it again. Stop it. Now we're sewing the bottom. Okay, that's good. Once you have sewn all 3 sides, you're going to flip it. Let's see. It should start looking like the purse now, or the makings of one. Pause it for just a second. What we're going to do now is we're going to fold the ends so they will be nice and creased. That way it won't be jagged ends. And we're going to pin it like we normally do, and then we're going to sew it. Okay. Finishing doing the other side. Keep it closer to this edge. Of course, we're trying to keep our fingers out of the way and keep everything else out of the way of it. After you get done finishing the sides, this is what your bag should look like now. It looks like it's starting to actually look like a bag. So what you'll need now is the straps. So that's what we're going to start doing now. Now I'm pinning one side so I can sew it. I will pin the other side in a moment. That's that way that I can keep it straight, and that way I'll know. Okay. Now that I have this all pinned, now I'm going to proceed to sew it. Stop filming this. I'm going to do the other side now. once you have the strap done, what we're going to do now is we're going to sew the strap to the bag. And what we're going to have to do is I'm going to have to stitch it, and then I'm going to have to back stitch it. Now I'm going to back stitch it. Now I'm finishing back stitching. I do this about 3 times. You want to do this on a slower speed because you don't want to bend your needle. And one more time more to do. Okay, there we go on this side. I'm just cutting now the excess strings to make sure it looks nice. Okay, there you have it. Got your little purse, maybe a little book bag or whatever you want it to be. There you have it. That's how you do it.